feel that sound? The kettle is boiling. That means it's time for a warm, cozy cup of tea on a cold winter night.
Ah, I love that feeling. The world outside is chilly, the blanket is soft, and the smell of tea fills the air. Perfect.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wordcraft Hub, your cozy corner for fun English learning.
I'm Pooja and this is Karthik. And today we're going to talk about a cup of tea on a winter night.
It's not just about tea, friends. It's about learning everyday English words, phrases, and expressions that you can use when you talk about winter, tea, and cozy evenings.
So, grab your cup of tea, sit back, and let's practice English together the warm way.
Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It helps us grow our English-loving family right here at the Wordcraft Hub.
So, Karthik, tell me, how does your perfect winter night look?
My perfect winter night. Easy. I'm sitting by the window wearing a warm hoodie, a soft blanket on my lap, and holding a steaming cup of tea.
Oh yes, that steam from the tea. It goes up like a little cloud.
Exactly. And outside you can hear the whoosh of the cold wind.
I love that sound. You know, winter nights are perfect for small talks, comfort food, and slow moments.
And today we learn how to talk about all of this in simple English.
Let's begin with some useful winter vocabulary, okay? Repeat after us, everyone.
Cold. When the temperature is low. Example, it's cold tonight.
Cozy. Warm, comfortable, and nice. Example, I feel cozy under my blanket.
Steaming. When hot vapor comes out of something. Example, the tea is steaming.
Chilly. Slightly cold. Example, it's a chilly evening.
Mittens. Gloves that keep your hands warm. Example, I wear mittens in winter.
Now let's use these words in small sentences together.
Pooja, are you cold tonight?
A little. It's a chilly night, but this cozy blanket helps.
Would you like some steaming tea?
Of course, that's the best way to stay warm.
Perfect. You see, friends, simple words, short sentences, natural English. That's how we learn.
You know, tea is not just a drink in India. It's an emotion.
That's true, especially on winter nights.
Let's imagine this. It's 9 p.m. The air is cold. You are wrapped in a blanket. You take a sip of tea. So relaxing.
That feeling is something special. So let's learn some useful English phrases you can use in this situation. I need a hot cup of tea. This tea warms my soul. The aroma of tea makes me happy. Let's have some tea and talk. Tea time is the best time.
Let's repeat together. Say it slowly, friends. Practice with us. I need a hot cup of tea. This tea warms my soul.
Nice. Now let's use these in a little conversation.
Karthik, the night is so cold.
Yes, Pooja. I need a hot cup of tea right now.
Let me make some. I love the aroma of ginger tea.
The smell of tea and ginger. So good.
Here you go. Careful, it's hot.
This tea warms my soul.
I agree. Tea time is the best time. You noticed, friends? We said, warms my soul. That means the tea makes us feel good inside, not just warm outside.
Yes, you can use similar phrases for many things. This song lifts my mood. This soup makes me feel better. Your smile brightens my day. Let's learn a few more words connected to tea.
Honey, a sweet liquid made by bees. Example, I like honey in my tea.
Lemon, a yellow fruit with a sour taste. Example, lemon tea is refreshing.
Stir, to mix something slowly.
Sip, to drink slowly. Example, I like to sip my tea.
Practice time. Karthik, let's make some sentences.
Sure. I like lemon tea with honey.
I stir the tea with a spoon and take a small sip.
Perfect. Friends, can you make your own sentence? Type it in the comments. I like my tea with.
We'll read your comments and correct your sentences in the next video.
Let's imagine a short story, friends. Listen carefully and enjoy.
It's a winter night. The wind is strong. The streets are quiet. Inside the house, a small lamp is glowing.
Ria is sitting near the window. She holds a cup of tea in her hands. The cup is warm and the tea smells of cardamom and ginger.
She takes a sip and smiles. Outside, she can see the moonlight falling on the trees. Everything looks calm and beautiful.
Her mother comes and says, "It's cold, dear. Do you want another blanket?"
Ria says, "No, Mom, this tea is enough to keep me warm."
That's so sweet. Simple story, right? But full of English you can use in real life. Let's make it fun. Listen to these sounds. Imagine them in English.
The whistle of the kettle, the clink of the spoon, the sip of tea, the crackle of the fire.
These are called onomatopoeic words, words that sound like the sound they describe. Whoosh, clink, sizzle, slurp.
Karthik, do you slurp your tea?
Sometimes it's part of the fun.
Friends, write in the comments, do you slurp or sip your tea?
Here are some useful expressions for talking about cold evenings.
It's freezing outside. I am shivering. Let's stay in tonight. I love quiet winter nights. This blanket is so warm and soft.
Let's make a small conversation using these. Mini dialogue. Staying in tonight.
Karthik, it's freezing outside.
Yes, I'm shivering already. Let's stay in tonight.
Good idea. We can watch a movie and drink tea.
Perfect winter plan.